My name's Ben Albrechts. I'm the president of Leer. My favorite core value is work together. And as part of that, I have an open door policy where employees can come in and chat with me if they have any questions or concerns. And that's probably why I got ambushed today by HR to answer the questions that everyone else is answering.
Hi, my name is Renee Goetzer. I'm a receptionist at Leer. So I really enjoy that we assist our customers in making sure that they are happy with our product.
Main core value is we are a family here, and one looks out for the other, and we make a great product and we help people from start to finish. It's like a home away from home. You spend more time with these people here and you really get to love them, and they are truly your family.
How friendly people are here. I like the positivity that everybody has here.
Benefits are great. It's a good environment. Employee ownership, ESOP sets us up great for retirement. We get so many shares every year. Shares are worth set amount, and it's a great deal.
The teamwork and the ownership.
I like the people. The people work together, respectfully, help each other out.
Best thing about working in Leer is the teamwork. I always have enjoyed working as a team, from working in sports and stuff like that. So I like the team atmosphere.
Growing with the company and making the good money that I do, and with the insurances, coverage, and it's just a good place to work.
The best thing that I like about here and the people that I'm working with, is the great people that I'm working with. And I want to learn more department too, also.
We can make that happen.
I'll make that happen. I hope they're going to happen.
If you're interested in being our next employee owner, apply today at leerinc.com/careers.